How to sell your stocks on Robinhood. Hey guys, today I will show you how to sell stocks on Robinhood. From the main screen, scroll down to view your holdings. Tap the stock you wish to sell to open its details page. If you own fractional shares, you will sell by dollar amount rather than share count. Tap the green trade button, then select sell. For stocks with at least one full share, you can choose different order types for better pricing control. Tap the top right corner to view order type options. Minus limit orders are recommended for precise price control. You can sell all shares by tapping sell all, which shows the full dollar value. Review the order summary carefully before proceeding. When ready, swipe up to execute the sale. The proceeds will immediately add to your buying power. You can verify the sale by checking your increased buying power or reviewing transaction history. For complete withdrawal instructions, I've created a separate guide that I'll link below. Selling requires attention to current market conditions for optimal execution. And that's it, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.